pack your patience because there's going to be a lot of regional headaches tomorrow, both on the highways and through the airports. Winter storm warnings in effect from Nashville points east through eastern Kentucky all the way up into southern Ohio and West Virginia. Winter weather advisories for our returns of snow just outside of our area, but I don't really think a lot of that's reaching the ground quite yet. The makings for our storm are in two pieces. A lot of your attention probably goes to this right here, but that's only part of the puzzle. There's two things that are going to come together to form all of a sudden right about there. Monroe, Shreveport, Louisiana. That's system number one. System number two is this snow in Kansas. They're both going to come together right over us tomorrow, and that will give birth to a new storm. And that storm will form probably in southwest Tennessee and then track through the Carolinas tomorrow. So that's where our storm is going to be coming from. The cold is moving in right now. It'll be 20 tonight in Princeton, 21 Mayfield, 25 for a low in Union City, 21 Sykeston, 19 tonight Metropolis, and 17 Illinois. Here's the hour-by-hour maps. The timing really hasn't changed with the new data we've gotten in tonight. Clouds continue to roll in. And again, with the two systems, I know this might seem totally backwards to you, but Paducah, the snow will probably start last in Paducah because we've got that one coming down from the northwest and the other coming in from the Tennessee and in Carbondale. Notice how they both kind of fill in here as we head through the morning hours. So snow starts between 5 and 8 a.m. in all locations. Last will probably be in the center of our area. Here's 8 o'clock in the morning. By 8:30, we're rocking and rolling with snow across pretty much the entire area, and it will be briefly heavy. There's actually quite a bit of lift in the lower to mid atmosphere tomorrow. I don't know if we'll get as far as thunder snow. It's not quite that convective of a system. That's probably off the table, but we will get some heavy bands of snow. I do think that's pretty feasible tomorrow. Here's 10 o'clock in the morning. Coming into 10:30, notice these deeper shades of blue across the Pennyrile, the Purchase area. By 12, it's still snowing. We might get a little bit of reformation here on the back edge. 1 o'clock, still snowing in Kentucky areas. 1:30, and then things start to end between 2 and 4 p.m. So snow starts 5 to 8. It ends between about 1 and 3 tomorrow. Then the sky clears and it turns to be very cold tomorrow night. Forecast totals, I have upped them slightly. But look, I understand the higher totals. Some people might get a little worked up. The impact's the same. That hasn't changed. There's going to be snow-covered roads. It will be very slick tomorrow. Those of you who still have to travel, make sure you're giving yourself plenty of extra time, especially when you consider the fact this is our first snowstorm of the winter season. 2 to 4 inches now in this purple, which does include Paducah, Graves. Essentially, if you live in a Kentucky zip code, 2 to 4 inches of snow. Martin, northern Weakley County, 2 to 4 inches, and it's possible somewhere in that area could get over 4 inches of snow. The shade of blue here west of this is 1 to 2 inches. So Lake County, Union City, you're on the cusp. Again, essentially all of Kentucky in the purples, 2 to 4, with a chance of some higher totals if we get some banding, and then lighter amounts. Still 1 to 2 inches, maybe 3, though, across southern Illinois. And something tomorrow, too, that will be at play is the fluff factor, especially Kentucky and Illinois. What a snow ratio is the depth of snow relative to the amount of liquid that falls. Essentially, the higher the ratio, the fluffier, the lighter the snow. And the snow ratios will be higher than what we normally get here. And in fact, dendrites might form. Those are those perfect, beautiful little 5-branched snowflakes that are really big and they're really photogenic, and they accumulate really rapidly. So midday tomorrow, when you look out your window, you should see some real big snowflakes that are falling from the sky. 10 degrees tomorrow night. Wind chills will be near 0, so that'll be a big factor. Still some travel impacts Friday morning. Sunny, though, Friday afternoon, then way above freezing with rain moving in Saturday night into Sunday morning.
New at 10, police in Thayer, Illinois say a social worker